Hi, I'm Aiden from Titan Robotics, and today we'll be showing you how to make your own electromagnet.
I'm Max, and along the way, we'll explain the science behind this magnet and how it works.
Electromagnets are a special type of magnet that are created using electricity. Electromagnets are different than permanent magnets because they can be turned on and off, and their polarity can be reversed by changing the flow of electricity. Today we'll be using three things to make our electromagnet. First, we'll be using copper wire. This copper wire is coated in enamel, which makes it insulated. To use this wire, we'll need to strip off the enamel on each end, which I've done using sandpaper. You can find this enamel in a lot of recycled electronics or at a craft store. Next, we'll just need a screw or nail. The size doesn't matter, nor does the shape. So, to start making this electromagnet, what we're going to do is start winding the enamel-coated copper wire around the nail or screw or whatever you have. It really just needs to be some kind of iron bar that you can wrap the wire around. So just continue to wrap it around until you've reached the full length of the screw. In this video, you can see that I'm continuing to wrap the wire around the screw in the same direction, either clockwise or counterclockwise. This causes the electromagnet to work, so make sure that you don't change direction while you're winding the wire around your screw. Finally, we'll need a battery. For this example, I used AAA, but the size doesn't matter. You could use AA as well. So to make your electromagnet, you just want to attach the wire on each side of your magnet to each side of the battery. I'm using my hands here, but you can use tape as well. Now your electromagnet should start working. I'm using staples to demonstrate it here, but see what else around your house you can pick up using your new magnet.
As the electrical current flows through the wires, it generates an electrical and magnetic field around it. So by wrapping the wire around the screw, we actually create a stronger magnetic field. In fact, the more times we wrap the wire around the screw, the stronger it creates the field. So if we double the amount of windings around the screw, we'll actually double the strength of the magnetic field. And if we run more electrical current through the wire, we'll also increase the strength of the magnetic field, and that will make the entire electromagnetic stronger.
If we break the current by removing the wire from one side of the battery, you can see that the magnet stops working and all of the staples fall to the ground. Alright, that's all we have for you for now, but I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more amazing STEM content.